Ever wished your AI agents could collaborate, sharing knowledge and boosting efficiency? Today, let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate your Retell agent into the Tixae Agent ecosystem. This step-by-step guide will have your agents connecting and collaborating in no time. First, head over to your Retell agent interface, locate the Export Agent button, and click it to initiate the export process. The system will guide you through creating a downloadable package containing your agent's configuration and data. Think of this as packaging your agent for its journey. Next, navigate to your Tixae Agent dashboard and locate the Import Agent section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to upload the exported package from your Retell agent. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. The Tixae platform will then start working on unpacking the agent, including its configurations and required data. After a few moments, your Retell agent should now be listed within your Tixae Agent environment, ready to perform. You can tweak it. Congratulations! You just successfully imported your Retell agent into Tixae. Now, your agents can work together to provide combined operation and information access. By linking these two systems, you're maximizing agent performance and streamlining your workflow. Keep in mind to maintain connections and ensure consistent function.